Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Power on the Xbox and open the Xbox mobile app on your phone. Make sure both devices share the same Wi-Fi network so Discovery works reliably. Sign into the same Microsoft account on both, and on the console go to Settings, right arrow Devices and Connections, right arrow Remote Features, and enable them. Once done, grant any prompted permissions, and keep the console awake for remote connections. This prepares the devices to find each other. Now use the Xbox app to connect. Tap the console's icon, then add or connect to console. The app will scan your network. If it doesn't automatically detect the Xbox, choose Manual IP Entry found under Xbox Network Settings. When the app finds the console, select Remote Play or Stream depending on your need, and confirm the pairing code shown on your TV or Xbox. This secure handshake links your phone to the console, so you can control or stream games. Finish by launching Remote Play or game streaming from the app, and pair a Bluetooth controller if you want tactile input. If video lags or disconnects, reduce streaming quality in the app, and make sure the Xbox uses a wired connection or 5 GHz Wi-Fi for lower latency. If pairing fails, restart router, phone, and console, then reopen the app and re-add the console. That typically clears Discovery or permission issues and restores a stable connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.